I just got the TouchJet Wave. It turned my TV into a smart touchscreen that can do pretty much anything. Bam! Stream any movie. You can download any app from the Google Play right onto the Wave. You can check sports, news, social media, listen to music, search for things, learn stuff, control your home, and play all your favorite games, only much bigger and better.
We are going to take a look at the Spectre project next.
People in our office love it.
Great work, everybody.
It gets them out of their chairs, collaborating like never before.
Windows to the south side of
The Wave also has a mobile app.
That's a great idea. Amy, can we pull up the window treatment?
You can swipe files, photos, and videos from your handheld device right to the TV. And no need to sweat compatibility issues. Any Android or Apple device will do. It's super easy to use and gets kids playing together in a whole new way.
I think it's Uncle Andy's turn. I think your parents want you to play something a little more educational anyway.
Navigate right from your phone. You'll be amazed at how quickly it changes your world. Friends, office, family, the TouchJet Wave brings people together in any situation.
Hi, we are TouchJet. About a year ago, we crowdfunded the world's first touchscreen projector. We're happy to say that we've already shipped thousands of units all over the world to backers just like you. Now, we're back to crowdfund TouchJet Wave, the ultimate entertainment device that turns your television into a touchscreen smart TV. Pre-order yours now and be one of the first to bring TouchJet Wave home.
With Belkin's Screencast TV adapter for Intel wireless display, you can view content from your laptop on your HD TV instantly and wirelessly. Everything you'd normally watch on your laptop is wirelessly transmitted to your big screen TV for optimum video and sound quality. All you do is connect the Screencast TV adapter to your HD TV with the included HDMI cable. Then use your Intel wireless displayed laptop to watch Blu-ray movies, share family photos, surf the internet, even stream HD internet content from websites like Netflix, YouTube, and Pandora. No more crowding around your laptop screen. Instead, enjoy your laptop content with the visual richness and dynamic sound of your state-of-the-art home theater. Big picture, big sound. Belkin's Screencast TV adapter for Intel wireless display. Experience your laptop on your HD TV.
Your Cinemate 15 system was made to make what you watch even better. And it won't take you long to start enjoying it. First, we'll add the rubber feet to the Acoustimass module. These help prevent scratches and keep the module from moving on a smooth floor. Peel the backing off each rubber foot and attach it like this. When you're done, turn the module upright and place it where you want it. For the best performance, put it near a wall or corner. Next, we'll connect the soundbar speaker. It comes with the cables already attached. You just need to attach the other ends to the Acoustimass module. Slide them on and tighten the hand screws on both sides. Next, we'll connect the speaker system to your TV. First, take a look at what outputs you have on your TV. You'll get the best performance using the optical output. A secondary choice is to use coax digital or analog connections. If your TV doesn't have any of these outputs, you can use the outputs of another device, such as a cable box, but the Cinemate system will only play audio from that device. You only need one type connection. Choose the one that works best for you. We'll use optical for this video. This is the optical cable that came with your Cinemate system. Make sure to remove the protective covers. Plug it into the back of the soundbar speaker. Use the notches on the side to line it up the right way. Insert it until you feel a click. Then plug it into the back of the TV. If you're using other types of cables, the steps are the same. First to the soundbar, then to the TV. The jacks and connectors are usually color matched. Next, plug this end of the power cord to the back of the module. and the other end into a power outlet. You should hear a tone letting you know there's power. Make sure the batteries are in your Bose remote and turn on the Cinemate system. The LED should light up. Then use your TV's remote and turn on the TV. You can control the volume with the remote. And this knob on the back of the module lets you adjust the bass up or down. You may need to turn down or turn off your TV speakers. Your TV owner's guide can help with this. Now it's showtime. To learn how to program your remote to control the TV and other devices, just visit youtube.com/Bose.
Meet Roku Express, now 5 times more powerful than its predecessor. It's high-definition streaming made easy. Less than $30, and that includes an HDMI cable. There's a Roku player just for you. And every one comes with a simple and intuitive home screen, more than 500,000 movies and TV episodes, including free movies and TV shows on the Roku channel. The fastest way to find your favorites by title, actor, or director with Roku Search. And the free Roku mobile app to make your iOS or Android device the ultimate streaming companion. The all-new Roku lineup. Roku. Now this is TV.
Introducing Mantel Mount, a new kind of flat-screen TV mount perfect for installations high on the wall or over a fireplace. Even your grandmother can easily pull a large flat-screen TV down off the wall to eye level and swivel it left or right.
If you're looking for that option where you need to bring a TV down, it's the perfect solution.
Cranking your neck into an unnatural position for extended periods of time can cause neck pain. But Mantel Mount eliminates stiff necks by lowering your TV to a more comfortable position. It also eliminates glare.
If you are using anything other than the Mantel Mount to mount your TV to the wall, you're throwing money away.
Mantel Mount redefines versatility, making it an ideal solution for conference rooms, media rooms, playrooms, gamers, gyms, lofts, literally anywhere a television needs to be mounted high on a wall.
My favorite thing about having a mantel mount is how far down it comes.
I've had friends come over and I show them the TV and we bring it down and they all say, "Whoa, what's that?"
With best-in-class versatility that includes flush-to-wall mounting, 90-pound capacity, enhanced 29-inch vertical reach, and up to 60-degree swivel, Mantel Mount shatters the problems of mounting a television over a fireplace. Easy to install and easy for all ages to use. Mantel Mount's patented construction combines precision automotive pistons, high-quality steel, and state-of-the-art counterbalance technology. We're so confident in our manufacturing and quality standards that we offer a full 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Mantel Mount's commitment to quality starts with the installation process. Heat-sensing handles detect temperatures above 110 degrees. An integrated safety pin makes installation safe and easy. Vertical stops keep the mount from bumping the top of your mantle. Swivel stops keep your TV from bumping the side of the mantle. And auto straightening keeps your TV from touching the wall when pushing it back into place. All the installation hardware you need is right in the box. A built-in soundbar bracket eliminates the need for any additional soundbar adapter. Paintable covers hide all the hardware, complementing any decor. Our optional and easy-to-install recess kit conceals the center arm for a flush-to-wall installation.
Mantel Mount works better than I thought it would.
Every day I look at it, I'm glad I bought it. I don't understand why you buy anything else.